Hi, and welcome to another adventure of Big Sexy Outdoors. Today's adventure starts with a newcomer to the sport. You'll see in this video the combination of wind on our yard duck decoys really ups our game. Notice them emotionally assault crows.
Where'd he go? Here he comes. Hold on. Got him. I got that one. You did.
I'll hit it.
I got it.
How that one was 20 yards away. I was just waiting for it.
That's
man.
why I didn't say I had it.
I seen it coming down the tree line. I was like, dude, that sucker was 20 yards away. Did you see the feathers flow? He didn't even have a chance. He just crinkled. That one I hit here sprinkled too. That one I hit way up there. He come down like a rock. I fired a lot of shots to him.
Yeah. I'm almost out of a box of shells.
Brian has zero patience to wait for him to land. Or I don't even say land, get close. He likes to just shoot. And, well, I brought the semi, so I'm going to say that, no, one shot is three. So, yeah.
I like how we stood up and go to leave, and they just kept coming and coming.
Never crow hunted before. What do you think?
It's fun.
It's fun, ain't it? Even when you don't hit them, it don't matter. I got two. I know I got two out of the six I shot at.
You keep looking up.
Yeah. So, we're going to go gather up our crows, gather up our decoys. Dude, that one didn't stand a chance. That one was like 20 yards. There's one. So, there's your crows. 2 crows down and 92 shots. Set 3. So, let me get my, hold on. Ears covered. I gotta hide my black bag behind me. Okay. Gray shells are money shells, just so you know.
Good luck ones.
Yeah. And that owl looks like it's gonna attack us. Look, it's spinning in the wind. Look, it's spinning. Because I put it on that corn stalk. Look. Look, its whole head spinning.
It looks pretty real, doesn't it?
Yeah. Alright, they're ready. Oh, dude, here they come. Look at this.
Ben, where's the call?
I see it. Hold on.
From below one. Tell me when.
Take him. How did we miss him?
Guns go down, I don't know. They hit the gills.
Dude, how did we miss him? I shot behind him. I seen the wall.
Right at my truck. I got bottom, you got top.
high, too high.
Wait, no, wait. I don't know, fire? No, wait.
Dude, man, I should have took that. Look at them all, Brian. Wait. Look at them all. There's thousands.
Run fast, you're faster than me. Really? Yeah, go fast, because we need shells. Stand my camera up while you're at it. Face it here, good enough. Is it still recording? Get here quick. Got one, stay still, stay still. Ready? Hold on, let him hold. Here you go. Got him.
Did you already get him?
No, I shot after you, bro. He fell right out of the air. You suck at this. Give me shells, give me shells.
Not my GoPro, I'll shoot with that one.
Hold on, buddy.
Is there more?
Yeah, fly away.
Oh, there ain't.
Yeah, there.
Oh, there ain't going stuff. Brian, don't shoot. You're going to scare all these other ones. Sit the hell down. Is it really? Oh, you got scared all around. Let me little bullet. Right here. I'm going to try to change the GoPro battery. I don't know. Did you see that shot? Tell me that wasn't awesome.
Dude, you were like this, look at that.
I was upside down. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Get here quick. Got one. Stay still, stay still. No, I shot after you, bro. He fell right out of the air. You suck at this.
Good, okay. High. That one hit.
Got him. He comes down a hair lower. What do I do? That? Nope, too far now. I'll take him when they go there. He's too far now. Gotta take him when they're close. Like that. I think I'm done screwing around. Out of the whole box? Yep. Did you bring the other box with? Nope.
Got one. Got one. a shot.
The wind blows. Took off. Every time you hit them down and back. Ready to shoot again?
No. Never even bullets.
Nope. I had two in the bed, eh?
There's none. How fast can you run in it?
I think I did this really good spot.
I'd say we use these bullets up.
Okay, time it. Hold on. How many of you get in your gun?
I think one.
Too high?
Take his ass. Missed it. Guys, I don't know if you realize this, and I don't know what kind of footage we got or what happened, so I hope to God we can use it. But we had to, I mean, there's crows laying. I don't know if you could see them all, but there's crows all over. We had a good time. So look at all the shells. This is what I want you to see.
Over here, make sure you get
Look, look, they're all over. So we're gonna pick up our bullets, but if we would have shot high brass, we would have got more birds. But you know, the price of stuff, we tried to be cheap. That's what we do. But Brian's gonna film here. I'm gonna go pick up all my crows. My crows. There's one. The screen's black. We shot one. I'll be guys seen, but I literally was laying him. I told Brian to shoot. He didn't shoot. I literally went backwards and shot it upside down. That one's over here somewhere. You know where it went from?
Yeah, way over.
Oh, way over?
Yeah.
I know you put a shell in it.
Keep going. Keep going.
You get all over there.
Yeah, so I told you it was hopping away.
Get out. No, it ain't all over
Yes,
there.
it was Ben. Keep going.
Right there. You'll have to different one. It's not all crows. Is that the same one?
Yep.
Dude, I didn't even know they all fell. They just kept falling.
I see one.
I see two. I know I shot at least 5 or 6. There's one.
Look.
2, 3, 4, 5. Got one? I don't know, dude. I see birds all over. I got one landed in the decoys.
There's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, my decoy fell over.
Also decoy. Oh, here's one.
There's one.
There's one out there.
Oh. Here's one. There's one. I shot 6. I'm 100% certain I shot 6. Is that it there or is that the decoy?
Don't you have 6 in your hand?
No, that's 3. 2 over there.
That might be it.
I saw one landed right on the decoy.
That's what I saw.
Maybe it was that decoy I seen fly off. Hey guys, listen, thanks for watching. I super appreciate it. as always, we love everybody that supports the Big Sexy Outdoors. And God bless every one of you, man. I hope you have a